Hello. Do you like waterfalls? Especially nice little hidden ones, secret? And then Barbara and I invite you to join us on a short little tour, could be even during afternoon, to one of the nicest waterfalls in this whole region. It's really a bit secret. It's called Stegovnik, or as locals call it Stegovnik. So Stegovnik waterfall in the valley below the ridge of Košuta. Come on. So you park here on this parking place, and there behind the trees is an old military facility, because we are close to Austrian border, and of course in times of ex-Yugoslavia here were a lot of patrolmen just looking for guys who want to cross the border. And here this road goes to Košuta ridge and to one of the nicest planinas, so alpine meadows here, Dolga Niva. And we, if you want to go to Stegovnik waterfall, have to cross this bridge, but don't worry, everything is nicely marked, so just follow the signs. So have you seen it? All these little ponds, pools, cascades. I guess your kids would love that. Otherwise it's anyway a nice trail, just some 15 minutes up to here. And when you come here, what do you see? Ta-da! The Stegovnik waterfall. See it, it's hidden, it's special like everything else here, and with whatever you combine the Stegovnik waterfall with, enjoy it, and see you back at base camp.